Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Balcony view from the Sheraton Bay Tower, Labor Day weekend, San Diego, California. I have no idea the name of that body of water. I had to take a video to add this to the hotel room tour. Here we have the pool, the jacuzzi, and another nice view. Now let's go inside and take a look at the room itself. Got a quick hallway view. Room 1198. Be gone. In case any stalkers out there can get me. Quick bathroom tour. Nothing fancy. Bedroom. Living room area to go chill, so you don't have to sit on the bed all day. Got a nice LG TV. Refrigerator. Got a desk area. Little chair. The star of the show in this room was always going to be the balcony, an outdoor view. Just come in, just soak all this in. 73 degrees right now, wearing shorts, perfect weather at night. There's the other tower. Very nice. See the boats right there. We rent a boat, little mini boat. We got stand-up paddle boards, jet skis, bird scooters to rent, bikes, gas lamp district. It's near here. It's about 100 bars, restaurants, clubs, all in one area. And San Diego is just a beautiful city. Great weather year-round. 2 chairs for you and yours. Lamar Taylor, Labor Day weekend, San Diego, signing off.